Hello, my name is Rasmus. I'm from Geranium in Copenhagen. The next dish here is going to be the Marbled Hake. Gently salted, gently smoked. We like smoked flavors here in this region, and it's a good way to preserve things, but it brings a very great taste, I believe, if it's like subtle smokiness. So we're gonna glaze it with a herb oil here on top to make a shiny surface, also to add some fat to the dish and the lean meat from the hake. Then here we have all the good stuff, which is caviar, bleak roe, and juicy and very crispy parsley stems. We have some deep fried crispy hake scales to add a crispy balance. And here we use the left of the stems, which is the leaves, and create this parsley oil. This here is clarified buttermilk. That we heat the buttermilk until around 65 degrees, and it will split, and we use the liquid sour part. And then we add just a little bit of butter to round it up. And that's the base of this sauce. I'm also gonna add this oil on top and add everything together on top of the hake. Please enjoy.